Hello, my name is Elizabeth. And today I am going to tell you everything you need to know about Ocuprime before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings for you to pay attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Ocuprime is: be careful about the website you are going to buy from, because Ocuprime is only sold on the official website. There are many links on the internet selling counterfeit products. Buying from the official site gives you the security of receiving the product. Because the reason you buy it is that you want to receive it correctly, so if you buy from different markets, you may not receive your product, or you may receive a product not authorized by the manufacturer. Ocuprime will always be sold only on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Ocuprime and does it really work? Ocuprime has a powerful formula consisting of amazing vitamins and plants, such as Beta-carotene, Lutein, omega-3, Lycopene and vitamins C, A and E. Ocuprime helps support your eye health and reduces your risk of diseases such as cataracts, myopia, astigmatism, keratoconus, helps keep your eyes lubricated, and makes you spend less money on your doctor. And the answer is yes. Ocuprime works. And after much laboratory testing, researchers have identified that Ocuprime is a complete formula clinically proven to support the health of your eyes, keeping them strong and always healthy. So yes, you can trust Ocuprime. There are already many people showing great results with Ocuprime, and you can get results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each person will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am saying this so that you are realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. Ocuprime is one of the most advanced eye health supplements available today. In fact, the company is so convinced that Ocuprime will help your eye health by bringing constant good lubrication and making them even stronger, that they are willing to back every bottle with an ironclad guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the benefits that Ocuprime has to offer, the company will issue a full refund. Simply contact customer support within the first 60 days of your purchase. Whether you have used the entire bottle or not, they will still refund your money. This means you have 2 full months to see if Ocuprime is the right choice for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a simple secure payment. Also, for Ocuprime to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Experts recommend that you give yourself at least 60 days to experience the full benefits. To use Ocuprime is simple. The capsules are small and easy to swallow. They are about the size of an average multivitamin, and you will get the full benefit with just 1 capsule every morning with breakfast and 1 in the evening with dinner. That's all you need to get a powerful dose of all the powerful plant extracts, vitamins, and antioxidants included in Ocuprime. But seriously, do this every day to see results. Because if you don't, you will get frustrated with yourself. It is also very important for you to know that Ocuprime has no side effects, because it is produced with 100% natural ingredients. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website where you will buy Ocuprime. And also, if you buy the product, take the exact treatment, take it seriously. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Ocuprime really helps you to improve your eye health, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thank you for watching the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your like, to help us deliver this informative content to people who also have an interest about Ocuprime. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be available to help you.